In order to replace the engine mount, first you need to secure the engine underneath. The next step is to remove the 3 bolts that you see right here. We're going to break them loose. These are 17mm bolts. There you go. Now this bolt right here, you do not need to remove that. As you can see, the engine is lowering a little bit. What we need to do is raise it up a little bit more. There you go. Next we need to remove these 3 bolts. In this case they are 14mm bolts. Extend if necessary in order to avoid injury to your hands. The 3rd bolt. Once you remove these bolts, then you can easily take out the engine mount. So we'll go ahead and reinstall this once it's in good condition. First you need to start tightening these bolts by hand. This bolt back here is a little bit tight to get to. Next, we'll put down these nuts. We'll put the bolt over here. And we'll tighten this.